I'm here with Vela, with Ken Rubin, who is Vice President of Worldwide Sales. Ken, we've been hearing great things about Vela. Tell us a little bit about the company and your recent successes.
Absolutely. Vela's having the strongest year in our 25-year history based on the success of our compliance logging and monitoring tools, smart loggers. We've won awards at IBC and NAB, and in the U.S. we've become the #1 Volicon-replacement, replacing 250 stations that put in our systems now, including 5 of the top 20 station groups. We just received another commitment yesterday from one of the top 5 station groups, so we're very happy about that.
That's terrific. So why have so many gravitated to Vela this year?
The overwhelming reason for our success is the product itself. Our smart loggers, Luna and Encompass, are reliable, they're functional from a user perspective, they're very capable, clearly superior to others, I think, in the same space. Our service and support is another area where Vela is truly superior. We have offices in every U.S. time zone, in Canada, an EMEA office opening, and we're absolutely committed to our customers and making sure they're successful with our products.
Great. What are some of the features that you're making sure you're covering?
Yeah, whatever customers ask for, to be honest, we're very responsive to customer requests. We stay up to date on all the standards, so 162.110, 2022.6, NDI, ATS 3.0, and others. The tools in there are for the whole station. Typically, it started out for engineers, and there are tools in there as a multi-viewer to look at your origination feeds as well as your return feeds from over the air or cable boxes, OTT, and compare those together. There's a comprehensive set of quality of service tools and compliance alerts in there to let them know if there's anything wrong or if they're violating any FCC compliance type issues. But it's not just for engineering. There's for traffic. There's a very quick way to do ad verification and use it for air check. On air and digital production, use it to be able to flip out and go back to air or repurpose to digital. The news teams love it. The news directors are using it to look at their competitive programming right next to their own. They can search it based on closed captions and other content. They can also collaborate using our system, keeping notes on speech to text or type. Research teams love it. There's a analysis of competition tool in there that allows them to look at the ratings right next to their competition and see what was on air that delivered which ratings. What's really been a game changer for us and allowed Vela to provide a return on investment to customers is our content matching tool. It allows sales teams to be able to look at content that aired on their station and others, like commercials, and see which commercials ran more on their stations but not their own, and alert them when new commercials have aired on their station. So the sales team can wake up every Monday morning with a lead list of those that are airing the most on other stations. They really love that. Marrying our content with the ratings, it also allows you to allows the salesperson to develop their pitch to be able to explain why they would get better ratings in their demographic using advertising at their station versus others.
Wow, it sounds very, very comprehensive. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Yeah, artificial intelligence and machine learning is in there. The content compare feature is very big. It's allowing you to compare to OTT so that if you have a retransmit agreement or other feeds, if there's a retransmit agreement, you're able to verify if other commercials are being put in. I know it's a lot to take in. One of the best features of Vela is that all benefits are included, so you're able to, there's no extras that you're going to miss out on. If you go with Vela, you get it all. Please stop by our booth here at NAB New York or come to us online. We'd be happy to have a conversation with you. I think it's one that you'll enjoy having with us.
Terrific. Thank you, Ken.
Thank you.